This video presents a project for Aesthetic Computing Spring 2012. This is Project 1 Geographical Representation of Data. It basically represents the number of internet users in a country on a scale of 100 persons. As we see, this is our main page and the map is positioned at the center. The data is mapped over a world map which has been provided by Google Map API, and the data is represented by color-coded markers. The data is shown from the year 2000 to year 2011, and it can be seen for different years by clicking the buttons representing a particular year. The pointers are located according to the average longitude and latitude coordinates of the country. As we see, India is represented by a red marker and is positioned at average longitude and latitude coordinates of the India. The pointers are color-coded according to the number of internet users in a country out of 100 people. On the bottom right of the window, there is a scale shown which represents which range of internet users is shown by what color of marker. We also have a red dotted pointer that represents a country having more than 90 users per 100 persons. When the mouse is hovered over the marker, the name of the country and the number of internet users for that particular year are displayed. For example, for Egypt, the country name Egypt and the number of internet users 0.29044 is displayed. On clicking over the marker, an info window pops out which also displays the country name and the number of internet users for that particular year, but it provides a better visibility of data. For example, for the same country Egypt, you can see an info window which displays the country name Egypt and the stats, that is internet users 0.29044 per 100 users. The Egypt country is represented by a red marker, and as we have talked earlier, the red marker is shown by the right bottom of the screen, and it represents less than 2 users per 100 persons, which is true, and which is shown by our stats 0.29044 per 100 users. If we talk about United States, it is represented by a yellow marker which is for 6 to 10 users per 100 persons. Sorry, it's a brown coded and it's 30 to 45 users, which is true actually. If we see at the stats of the United States, it's 35.882 and it is represented by a brown coded marker. If we talk about the buttons at the right hand of the screen, the buttons are shown from 2000 to 2011, and if we click at year 2004, we can see the map for year 2004, and hence we can also see that for year 2000 the map is flooded by red coded markers, as we can see it here on the screen. But if we see for 2011, the red markers are very less as compared to the year 2000, and in year 2011 we can see red dotted markers are 5. That is, there are 5 countries over the world that are using more than that are having more than 90 persons per 100 users, which has increased from year 2000. For example, for country Iceland, we can see that stats are 95.81, and it is the highest country and it is the country having the highest number of internet users in 2011. For Sweden, we have 90.005. For Norway, we have 93.35 users, and it does prove that Iceland has the maximum number of users.